ఐపీఎల్ ఛాంపియన్ గా నిలిచిన ఆర్సీబీ జట్టు బెంగళూరు చేరుకుంది. మరికాసేపట్లో ముఖ్యమంత్రి సిద్ధరామయ్యను కలవనుంది. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
It will be very energized here all over around us. Yeah, that's it.
So, which is your favorite player? Obviously,
Virat Kohli is, yeah, he's.
How you? What is the special you?
No, actually they were working very hard since 18 years and finally they got. Actually, it's not the single player contribution. Every team has contributed since 18 years. Like ABD, Chris Gayle have contributed, and especially for qualifiers when like Jitesh Sharma performed 85. That was very absolutely fine. Good.
There is a tears. There is a one fear also yesterday.
Yeah, it was fear. Like they started first 10 overs. It was very fear. Like they are going. The run rate was going through Punjab side. Then after that, Krunal Pandya, player of the match, he performed very well. And again that Hazelwood, fantastic match, man.
So as a Kannadiga, how you proud the moment?
ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ಬಂತು.
ಈ ಸಲ
ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ. ಈ ಸಲ ಕಪ್ ನಮ್ದೇ.
Can you see anything? I can see the bus. You can see the bus. You can't see anybody else. Come out.